Good afternoon to you all. Today we are going to see the Hindu newspaper headlines of June 27, 2021. Let's see the first news. Government raises alert on Delta Plus. Advisory to states call for more samples for epidemiological correlation. Concern over Delta, World Health Organization. Omar seeks delimation statehood before election. Center's timeline not acceptable, says NC leaders. Farmers complete 7 months of protest. Undeclared emergency in country. 186 crore doses needed to cover all over 18. Free vaccine for everyone, Center tells Apex Court. Galtria terms oxygen audit report interim. Subgroup members says consumption figure was a collation of data for one day. Army aviation raises tempo in operation along the line of actual control. Efforts on to replace aging fleet of Chetak helicopters while gearing up for inductions of modern chopper. What is say about anti-conservation law? Okay, anti-conservation law. And the next news is interim relief for Ladakh in Republic Day violence case. DDA Delhi Development Authority plans webinar to discuss draft master plan. The Director of Education chalks out three-stage plan to restart teaching learning. Schools to stay closed but engage with students will resume now. Government to take control of private schools. Oxygen demand dips to 82 MT. Expected to fall further. Government about half of new COVID-19 cases in June were people between 30 to 60 years. BJP seeks CVC, that is Central Vigilance Commissioner, intervention in DTC matter. Delhi Transport Corporation, DTC means Delhi Transport Corporation. It is the main public transport operation in Delhi. Let's see about Indian Meteorological Department, IMD, Indian Meteorological Department. RSS chief should clear stand upon Ram Mandir land scam. AAP party MP questions silence of probe agencies on issue. City parks golf courses to open tomorrow. Capital witnesses highest number of daily vaccination. 85 new infection reports. Sorry for Kimin Ro, says Border Roads Organization. Arunachal town renamed by mistake. DC in Odisha asked to find a day for children. Bid to bolster child right in the state. What is the meaning of defamation? An assembly ruckus case. Kerala moves Supreme Court. Legislators' action protected from legal action by parliamentary privilege. Narcotics Control Bureau raids illegal drugs manufacturing units. Kerala moves special court to try dowry cases. Victims should get speedy justice, Chief Minister. After 50 years, relieved for kin of slain. Kerala Naxal. Varghese killed in 1970 fake encounter. Will restore OBC quota in local bodies if given power. Fadnavis. Maharashtra BJP leader vows to retire from politics if he fails to fulfill promise. Brihan Mumbai Electric Supply and Transport told to pay compensation of over rupees 4 lakhs. Chief Justice of India is N.V. Ramanan. Chief Justice of India cites a letter that shows him the way. It was written by ex-Justice Ravindran. India, Greece seek respect for territorial integrity. MEA statement indirectly refers to role of Turkey. Full statehood for Jammu and Kashmir, top priority, says CPI. Worried national parties vacillating on Article 370. Why does Jammu and Kashmir delimation exercise matter? The process is likely to add 7 more constituencies to the current 83-member assembly. Special investigation team probe Badal role in 2015 Kotkapura firing. Ayodhya etched in the mind of every Indian, says Prime Minister. Modi reviews progress of development project with Chief Minister. No immediate threat from Delta Plus in places that have Delta outbreaks. There will be reasonable cross neutralization by antibodies raised against Delta, says Anurag Agarwal, Director Institute of Genomic and Integrative Biology, CSIR. CSIR means the Council of Scientific and Industrial Research, known for its cutting edge of R&D knowledge base in diverse S&T area. It is a contemporary R&D organization. West Bengal set up panel to probe fake vaccination. Health camps held for those duped. Delta variant most transmissible. World Health Organization, it has been identified in 85 countries. Activist seeks 50 more days for work under MG Narega, that is Mahatma Gandhi National Rural Employment Guarantee Act. Over 2 lakh household work have excavated quota. Oxygen concentration from US benefit Rajasthan villages. Many patients has recovered with the help of machine. Expert oppose decision to open Corbett Rajaji round the year. Opening of income generation will cruelty to animals. US will continue to back Afghanistan. Biden says America will help maintain Afghan military, provide economic and political support. US Justice Department to sue Georgia over election law. Delta variant forces new lockdown. Earth-born aliens. Tackling vaccine hesitancy challenges in rural India. Addressing vaccine hesitancy in rural India would first of all require health system to be honest and transparent. Missing links. Clues from meteoroid to Earth mantle. The meteoroid originated in the asteroid belt, was sucked in by Earth's gravity. Why bacteria develop multi-drug resistance? E. coli was evolved in fluctuating and steady environment and observed. Blindness burden in India. Restoring vision to the needy. As population ages, there is increasing burden of vision-related disorders. Reigning in the Big Four. Why is the US reading new rules for the tech giants and how will they impact the industry? Enforcement Directorate transfer of defaulters asset to PSB. Will handing over the properties of Malaya, Modi and Choksi to banks help tide over bad loan crisis. Jet Airway revival plan gets NCLT, that is National Company Law Tribunal clearance. Given the present state of aviation sector, what are the challenges the airline face before it can take off again? A fabled wonder in danger. Climate change has led to three events of coral bleaching in 2016, 17 and also 2020. A diverse coalition, the multi-party bloc remains a formidable force in Jammu and Kashmir political landscape. More information technology relief sought for COVID-19 bills. Accountants call for tax break to those footing their own medical expenses, especially senior citizens. Capacity expansion will help us to meet PLI criteria. The PGEL see wider opportunity in Make in India initiative MD. Production linked incentive scheme for large scale electronic manufacturing. Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology. Government of India. Tesla recalls cars in China for online update from to fix assisted driving software. Sri Renuka plans rupees 4,450 crore ethanol boost. Jet resolution panel to overseas implementation. Ashik ceases to be RP. Resolution professional. Manu and Saurabh win silver, go down to Russia in the mixed air pistol final. Sergeant Prakash make Olympic A cut. So these are the news headlines that are very much relevant for all examination, all government examination. Okay, please go through all these headings and go through the content also. And please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Don't forget to like, share. Okay, thank you.